Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Hui here at Independent Gyms. You already know that today is another special day, and you know what I'm gonna do? It's gonna be a really intensive shoulders and arm workout. So what are you waiting for, bro? Let's check it out.
Sometimes I'm mindless and my mind sits in the bottom of the motherfucking trenches. Don't get it twisted, don't need assistance, but sometimes I just don't get this. Cause I crave all this hate from the naysays. I put it all on my plate, never say grace. I'm never solving the case, but I stayed late. You got a problem, meet me at the gate. I sold my soul for plastic gold. I drank the hate up on the centerpiece. Wrists up all the grit, no rest in peace to all of my enemies. Double pump, no remorse, and voices all just sound like shit to me. This that motherfucking double all, I'm on the killing spree. Drown in the water, hold me down in the gutter, never gonna see me right up from the sound of the thunder. Say condescending, y'all stop pretending. Y'all the beauty on the beast when I drop the tempo like
It's Hui here, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna ask like, what is this guy's doing, and why there's like, you know, a 3 meal shake, 2 other meals, chicken and broccoli, and other salmon, but with only 1 spoon right here. I'm gonna tell you now, bro, like exactly right now. So the thing is, today's I forgot to eat, and it's kind of great. It's kind of make me mad, really mad right now. But it is what it is, you know. Sometimes it's happened, but I'm not gonna complain, bro. I'm just gonna find a solution to make it happen. So, by being said, I'm gonna consume 7 ounces of salmon and 4 cups of sweet potatoes, and a bowl of chicken and broccoli. The last one is gonna be a shake of 30 gram protein shake. And bro, I know it sucks, and I know that this is the first time I'm eating this much at one time of the day. And I'm not sure how it's go, bro, but you know what? Got to stick to the plan, and let's see if I can finish one of them. So this is Wes. This is my coach. I only train with him like 1 day in a month. Just 1 day. And he's pretty good, but to be honest. Tables in front, and then halfway. Now, keep constant tension until 15 pump sets. It takes the blood from that shoulder muscle, okay? Fire rate. Go from together, while you stay again, right here. Start again, your jump activated. Down. And then flip. Right here, we have some fabulous light music later on, but right now, here's the kind I prefer. One more. 3, done. Haha. There it is. Bro, it's definitely, it's not easy. It's only 12 pounds, but it really killed me that hard, to be honest. All done, right? Want to be? Yeah, I want to be. Behind the back right here, and then we're going to do overhead press for 12. Right here.
The behind the back part's when you come back down.
Bro, I feel so weak today.
Did you eat?
I did, yeah.
Are you cutting? Is it low carb?
Yeah, it's a low carb day.
Low carb day. You're feeling it, man. You're in the trenches now on prep. This is why prep hard.
Right now, especially today is a low carb day.
At 12.
So I feel like shit right now.
All right, so we're going standing up laterals. Grab the dumbbells. Okay, bend the knees, chest up. 2. It's the same thing. We're just doing an overhead press. We're gonna go 12, 10, 8, failure. See how heavy we can get on that last one. You know what I mean? Cool.
So this is 35 on your side. Just put a 10 on, and about to hit it.
Come on. 8, 9, 10. Still going. Ah! One more. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Good. There you go. Nice. Woo! You're a badass. Oh.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, guys. We're gonna go back here, hit a little arms and abs, and finish off.
All right.
So we have biceps or triceps next.
This is absolutely insane because I really did like 4 heavy sets. The last one we go up to like failures. Actually, I know failures mean that you got to work as hard until you cannot work no more. And honestly, I can't feel my shoulder anymore. Especially right now. I feel like I lost my arm. Yo, finally getting the session done. My shoulders right now, bro, kind of getting really sore. Definitely it's so sore. Probably I'm gonna take a break for like 2 or 3 more days to get back up. But anyway, bro, it's come to an end, and I would really appreciate you following me and watching me to the end. And yo, if you like the videos, don't forget to share it, and please subscribe and turn on the notifications for the next videos. Smash the like buttons, and bro, stay physiques. Peace out.
The rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster, I am the entity, I am